Hi traders, a quick coaching session on gold on steroid software, which you may be familiar with. This is something that we use at the tradingmentors.com. What I'm going to be talking about here is change of character and then breaker structure, just to help you make more profits. Maybe have more trades. You don't necessarily need to have more trades to make more money, but understanding the difference between the change of character and breaker structure may help you make better decisions. So this is the gold on steroids on the 10-minute chart, and we can see that what we know that the price is in an uptrend, because we can actually see that the price is above the 50 moving average. Whenever the price is above the 50 moving average and green, then that indicates that the price is highly likely to continue. So look out for that. That's the first thing. When we see that the price is moving down below the 50, then the price is going to fall down. And also notice this here, all the sellers are in, and then during the afternoon session from about 12 p.m. 12 noon, if you're around, then the price goes up. And look at the oscillator, which I've now put into this same box. You can actually see the direction, and you can see the direction. So it's pointing down, goes down, it's pointing up, it goes up. Now in terms of reversals, let me clarify this for you. I often will tell you to sell into this area. See this here? This area here is strong supply. It's above 63. But what can happen, of course, the price is today, it's just pushing up slightly. It's not actually going much. 4,100 is the highest. And the price is now hesitating. So it's all it's doing is grinding up, really. It's grinding up. So what I would like to do is introduce you to change of character first, and then we can talk about continuation patterns. So I'm going to dial down into the 5-minute chart. This is the 10-minute chart. But because I have all the information on here, I don't need any more information in terms of gold on steroids. The 5-minute chart, let's do that first, and we'll dive in deeper. I've got the gold on steroids, but it doesn't matter. Let's just get rid of that. All right, so here's the 5-minute chart. And as you can see, everything is green. When it's green, it's a buy. Before you enter a position to sell, you really want to make sure that the price has changed character. It hasn't changed character, and that's the reason why it's just drifting up. It's not really doing much today because we're not waiting for NFP on Friday. But there are trading opportunities which I can show you if you have the gold on steroid software. Now here, let me zoom out on the 5-minute chart. You can see what's happening, and I can align this with this here on the left. And you can see there's a change of character here. See that there? And now this measures the size of the volume at the point of change. So 39.5%, not very high, but nonetheless low volumes in the market. So before you go short on any positions, just wait for the price to break this support level here. Special settings, of course. But what will happen is, as price goes like this, the support levels will do this. And if you are going to go short, what's going to happen is it's just going to do that. And then it starts to point down, down, down. So that's the change of character. Now, breaker structure is slightly different in that it confirms that we have a continuation pattern going on. So this here is the breaker structure, as you can see there, and the price goes up. Yeah, so in other words, it's achieving higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and continues up like that. That's the breaker structure, which is a continuation pattern. Okay, so now let's dive down deeper into the chart. Let's go to a 2-minute chart if you want to make even more money. Now here, as an example, we have a 2-minute chart. Let's get these all in line. Okay, so we can see that the price is moving up. And if you have a look on your far left at the point of entry, breaker structure, as previously mentioned here, high volume 56.1%. And if you look at the same time, see that the buyers are stepping in here, and at the same time everything is green and going up. So at this point, this is the entry point here if you were so inclined to become a day trader or a scalper. You might not want to, you may just want to hold on to the 5-minute chart until it changes character. That's fair enough. But we can see here now live, it's late, so the price now is no longer valid. You've got a 70.2% chance of this falling, but it's a 2-minute chart, so that can be ignored, because you want to make sure that it's in line with the 5-minute and the 10-minute. So 10, 5, 2. So if we have a look at this entry here, your stop is below the support area and the price goes up 203 pips. So it looks something like this. Two times, 177. Could have squeezed a bit more, but 2 times is perfectly acceptable. Something like that. And this would have happened and occurred quite a few times if you were so inclined here, but there's an 80% chance there. So in this instance here, 80, wow, 98% there. That was the initial buying opportunity that aligned with the 5-minute and the 10-minute and the 5-minute. So let's align those up there so you can actually see that entry point here, this entry point here, this entry point here. So at this point here, we can say that there's the change of character to the upside. On the left, far left, you can see everything is green. Oscillator is pointing up above the 50 moving average, and the price has broken the blue line there as well, which was acting as resistance. So the important part here is this number. %. This says 39.5, but this says 98%, which is as high as it gets in terms of volume. And what happens then? Of course, the price continues up and up and up. It's a 2-minute chart, so you're going to get these cross downs and you're going to get these opportunities. 80% chance there. So let's have a look at that. Let's put a long position here. Let's put the stop down here. 2 to 1, 2 to 1, and now we've got this situation here. So there's plenty of trading opportunities. If you want to become a professional gold trader and trade gold on steroids, then it's a fantastic system. And again, if you're looking at reversals, look for change of character first. We see that throughout the day. Change of character with high volume would give you into the position. Now in terms of reversals, now we can see that the price has topped out here, 41 and sell power 63. So this is highly likely to fall down at some stage, but we don't have change of character yet. And again, you have to be patient. I get it. You have to be disciplined. I get it. But at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Have a wonderful evening.